What if numbers could think for themselves? Let's unlock the genius of Kaprekar. Here, we are going to celebrate Kaprekar with another type of number on his name, which is called Kaprekar's number. We'll try to understand what is this, and from three given numbers, we'll figure out which ones of these are qualified as Kaprekar's numbers, right? Okay, so how do we do it? We basically split the square of a number to form the number itself. So that's a simple definition. Now, how do we really do it? Step by step is being discussed in this particular video. Now, this is part of our book inspired by math, which is for junior or elementary school students and for middle school students. So, we are going to keep it very simple so that all of you can understand it and also help others understand. So, let's define what is a Kaprekar number. A Kaprekar number is a number such that 1 you square the number. Okay, so there are steps. So let's begin with one of these numbers. Let's take up 9, right? So 9 is my number. So second step is you square the number. So let's say what is 9 square? 9 square is 9 times 9, 81. Great. So we're done. You square the number. This part is over. Second part is then you split the square into two parts. The right part must have same number of digits as the original number. So original number has got one digit. So we are going to split it into two parts. Right part has got one digit. Left part is 8. So the right part must have the same number of digits as the original number, which is right part is 1. And the left part, whatever remains, is the left part, right? In this case, it is 8. Now, it's also mentioned that left part can be empty or 0, right? Add the two parts. So, next step, add them up. So, if I do 8 plus 1, what do I get? I get 9. So, it says add the two parts. We add it, we got 9. Now, if the sum equals original number, then it is Kaprekar's number. Wow! 8 plus 9 is 9. It is same as the original number. And therefore, 9 is a Kaprekar number. So we'll put 9 check mark as Kaprekar number. So I hope you have understood the whole process, correct? So let's check out 10. Okay, great. So 10. Can you tell me, is 10 a Kaprekar number or not? Step number 1. We are going to square it, right? So 10 square, which is 100. Now, we should split into two parts, where the right part will be same number of digits as in 10, which means 2 digits, right? So we'll split from here. And we are going to add the numbers, means 1 plus 0, 0. What do we get? We get 1, and we know 1 is not equal to 10. And therefore, 10 is not a Kaprekar's number. Do you see that? Now, some students might do a mistake. They may split in a different way. They can do 10 plus 0 and arrive at 10. That would be a mistake. You get the whole idea. And therefore, this statement is very important to understand. Right part must have same number of digits as the original number. I made this mistake myself, right? That's why I've taken this up in this particular video. It's a very tricky definition, right? I hope you're enjoying this process, how simple things are. He made numbers so meaningful, right? You never heard of these numbers, but now it makes so much of sense, right? Now, can you figure out 45? Is 45 a Kaprekar's number? 45, what will you do? You'll square 45, correct? Some of you might need a calculator, right? Most of you, correct? But since I know it, I'll write down, if you use the calculator, 45 times 45 is 2025. So that's the number. We are going to split this number into two parts. Right side, two digits, 45, two digits. So 25 is the right side. And you add 20 plus 25. What do you get? You get 45, the number itself. Do you see that? So 45 is indeed a Kapprekar's number. Very interesting exercise. Simple to do. Any student from grade 2 or 3 can also do it, right? So that's the beauty of Kaprekar. He made math so simple and beautiful that everybody could appreciate it. And that's why we have written a book inspired by math and influenced by Kaprekar in this particular case. In our series, we'll take up different geniuses and come up with new volumes one by one. I hope you like the idea. So, what do you get from here? If you thought numbers were just for answers, think again. Some numbers tell stories, and that's what you appreciate and inspired by math. Thank you. Join our workshop by sending an email or visiting globalmathinstitute.com. Enjoy the journey of learning.